In a world where imagination meets precision, one brand stands at the forefront of 3D printing innovation, introducing Longer 3D, where creativity takes shape. Founded by visionary minds from MIT and Georgia Tech, Longer 3D was established with a singular mission to disrupt the status quo and make 3D printing accessible, affordable, and exceptional. Cut to a montage of Longer 3D printers in various settings: hobbyists' workshops, design studios, educational environments. From the DIY enthusiast to the professional designer, Longer 3D offers a range of products that cater to every need. Take the LK5 Pro, for instance, boasting a generous 300 by 300 by 400 millimeter build volume, dual blower cooling system, and ultra-quiet TMC 2208 drivers. It's engineered for precision and reliability. Longer Nano Pro 12-watt laser engraver, or the Nano Pro 12-watt laser engraver, designed for portability without compromising on power, perfect for engraving on wood, leather, and more. Longer 3D is more than just a brand. It's a catalyst for education, innovation, and creativity. With a commitment to quality, Longer 3D has established ISO 9001 certified manufacturing facilities and a global customer service network, ensuring support wherever you are. Join the thousands of creators worldwide who trust Longer 3D to bring their ideas to life. Longer 3D. With Longer, make it better.